His cochlea is low, below the ear.
The little man was a bottle-raised baby. He was rejected by his mom. He doesn't behave like a musk ox as much as he thinks he's part of the human herd. Very much imprinted on people, which made it really easy for us to do the work we did today.
A lot of that has to do with conservation. As mankind builds more, drills more, we create a lot of anthropogenic noise that can be devastating to animals from the point of view that it might cause herds like herds of musk ox or herds of reindeer or caribou to move out of areas where it's too loud for them. These electrodes are going on and we're reading an EEG. All right, now we're ready for the earpiece. There'll be clicks going into the animal's ear, and every time a click goes into the animal's ear, all the neurons in the auditory pathway will fire at once and give me results onto the computer. He can hear on his right ear at 120 decibels and at his left ear at 110, so his left ear is better than his right. It's first time data. I suspect these animals hear better at lower frequencies than higher frequencies.
They do have this very low guttural growl when they do make noise. So it's not surprising to hear that. I can also imagine predation, whether it was a wolf or there's some latent saber-toothed tiger growl out there that they're still trying to, tune into.